snoring is a major factor that detracts from quality of sleep. And if you've been in the health world for a while, you know how important sleep is. Sleep deprivation can cause cognitive impairment equal to that of somebody that's drunk on alcohol. Basically, if you're not sleeping properly, you're not going to be recovering properly, your brain's not going to be performing well, your body's not going to be performing well, your immune system's going to be compromised. Sleep is the cornerstone, or one of them, to optimal health. And if you're snoring, you're just not going to have optimal sleep. Like I said, mouth taping is a very effective way to cut down on snoring.